Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling. I'm here on Koh Samui today, and we're going to take a little walk down to the beach. I just wanted to show you a little bit around the outside of the Hostel, California, or the Happy Hippie Hostel. Happy Hippie Bar is right here behind this door. They don't open up till later. Been a nice place so far. You know, small. I got it all to myself still, so that's been a plus in my eyes. But the beach is down here, and I was just going to show you what's going on here and what's in between here and there. So come with me. Pretty nice place. I guess it's the low season, so you know, we see what we see. That's the place. I mean, it's maybe a 5 or 6 minute walk down here, give or take. Nothing too fancy. Let's say I've been here 2 nights so far, and I've had a good time. There's good food everywhere. Tons of nice people. You seriously got to watch out for the motorbikes around here, though, or you're going to get smoked. Old school pizza. I had some of that. It's pretty good. Reminiscent of like Italian, but not a little thicker. Still good though. Whatever cheese they use is excellent. Windy out, so I hope it doesn't. Hopefully I can use this video. Some stuff for the Songkran celebration coming up this weekend. Oh, you can hear it buzzing. Hope you can hear that. Yeah, when the electrical lines are buzzing, you gotta kind of wonder. Tons of massage places along here. Laundry. I bought this shirt yesterday just down the road here. Volkswagen. Like $8. She wouldn't budge on the shirt price. I tried. Oh, that wind's serious. I hope I can use this Peacock's bar. She got some stuff out in the butt there. Glass bottle sodas. But overall, yeah, this is a cool place. I should have probably stayed longer, but 4 days will be enough. Then I'm off to Bangkok for 4 days, and then I'm flying out for a whole new load of adventures. Should be awesome too. So. Looking forward to everything. shirt. I went in for something without sleeves and came out with this, so however that works. Yeah. It's not a bad little walk down here. I hung out down here a little bit yesterday. I might again later, who knows. Just been taking it easy on this one. Living that island life, you know. Now, we're in Lamai Beach, or Central Lamai. I don't understand. This beach may have a different name than Lamai, and if it does, I'll put it down below. And just so you know what it's really called. Bananas for 20 baht. Oh yeah, I've seen these guys. They've been promoting this the whole time I've been here. Bare knuckle, Muay Thai, super fight. Probably be cool. Can't go wrong with bare knuckle boxing now, can you? But yeah, come through here, little public access. Little bar here on the left. Big ocean out there, windy. Perfect day to be hanging out by the beach. But yeah, not too shabby. I mean, considering the price I'm paying and what you pay for a place right here, I'm down for a little walk. Fire show 6 to 8 or 7:30 to 8:30. Happy hour 6 to 8. Pretty picturesque kind of place. Really glad I made the trip here. It's kind of expensive getting here by air and to fly to Bangkok by air, but I wasn't sitting on a ferry or a boat for hours. So overall, alright, well, this has been Zach with Savage Traveling out here on Koh Samui, and just chilling by the ocean for the day. Alright guys, peace.